Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. In addition, GM Certified comes with a 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty and a vehicle history report on this automobile. This vehicle qualifies for our free Super Guarantee Autos Vehicle Warranty Program. Buy a vehicle and get a free warranty from us only at everycarlisted.com. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Call today to schedule a test drive.